Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Nissan Armada, and we're going to do a rear chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So there are trim levels of the Nissan Armada that do have the rear chrome delete. Higher trim level vehicles of the Nissan Armada do not have the rear chrome delete here, so they have a light bar here. So make sure your vehicle does have the rear chrome delete, that way the kit fits your vehicle. So this is how the rear panel looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire rear panel. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the rear panel. So you're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove all the contaminants from the rear panel, you can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But if you're able to remove everything from the panel, all the contaminants, slip solution should be fine. So grab a clean microfiber towel, spray your solution onto the microfiber towel, and start removing all the contaminants that the panel may have. And also make sure you clean the inside of the panel, since the chrome does go inside the section of the rear. You can also clean around the surrounding area in case the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then once you're done with the prep, make sure that everything's dry, that way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. Okay, so when you finish with the prep, we can start with the installation. So the kit looks like this. It's just two pieces, one for each section. So since we're doing the driver's side right now, just make sure you grab the driver's side piece. Okay, and with this one, all we have to do is just make sure we align it from one end. So it doesn't matter if you start here or here, just make sure wherever you start, you cover the chrome. So give yourself material to cover the chrome. And also keep in mind to give yourself material to cover the chrome on the top and on the bottom section, since there is chrome showing on the panel for top and bottom. So lift the film, adjust it, place it, tack it down, and we should be good. If you happen to have fingers while you're aligning the film, just lift it and carefully place it back down to remove the fingers. So with this one, to make sure that we have coverage on the top and bottom, we're just going to need to lift the film, fold it like this, and with our squeegee, tuck it inside. That way we make sure that we have coverage on the inside. So you can start from one edge, fold it, and tuck it in. And then use the white part of the squeegee to tuck it in as much as you can. Because there is a small gap here, you could tuck in the film, the excess material that you may have. So just fold and tuck it in. And do the same for the bottom piece. Just fold, lift, fold, lift it like this, and tuck inside. So before we trim off any excess material, we just need to make sure we apply heat. That way we know the panel is being covered by the entire film. So make sure you apply heat around the edges. That way the film starts molding to the design of the curve. And then we should be good to trim off any excess material. For the bottom section here, there is a small gap where we could insert our blade and trim off the excess material. So you just be careful when you trim off. There's a small gap, So just insert your blade and you should be good. So you can use a heat gun or a hairdryer. Just make sure you have a heat source. Apply heat. That way start helping the adhesive and the curves tack down to the panel. And then we'll trim off the excess material. Use the lowest setting. Take your time. And we should be good. Okay, and to trim off the excess material, just find a small gap right in the middle here, and then just carefully trim off the excess material. And then carefully remove the excess material. And then the same steps that we're doing for this piece, you would just do it for the other section that you need to finish the installation for. And then once you're done with the install, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. So once you finish with the entire installation for the rear chrome delete, the last thing to do is to post heat each panel. So just grab your heat device, use the lowest setting, apply heat, make sure you are applying it evenly, that way we don't accidentally burn the film. Focus on the curved areas and also on the areas where we trimmed off the excess material. Take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the rear chrome delete installation for the Nissan Armada. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other chrome delete kits for the Nissan Armada. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.